Manage your OpenCart store on eBay effortlessly. Easily connect your OpenCart store with eBay. Bulk product upload plus category mapping. Manage custom titles, descriptions, price and quantity. Real-time inventory sync to avoid overselling. Manage eBay orders directly from the OpenCart panel. Use profiles to sync selected products. Full control over shipping, returns, and item specifics. In this module, understanding video of OpenCart eBay module. So here we are, proceeding further to first install the module on the OpenCart store. On your store directory, you have to find the store directory, and then you have to open the folder Upload, under which you will be having 3 folders like System, Design, Catalog, and Add-on. You have to choose all the files and drag it to your store location. When you will drag it, it will start uploading the module here, and when the module will be completely installed, then you will find your module in your store extension page. You have to go on the extension and open the module tabs from here. The listing of the modules, you will get your module. Here you will find it in the uninstalled, then here to show installing the module. You have to upload the OCamode file of the module, so go on the installer tab. Here you have to click on upload. You will redirect to your store location. You will be redirected to your local. Here you have to choose the OCamode file and click on Upload. It will get the complete installed here, then go to the modification page. Here you have to refresh the page, clear the cache. Again, refresh the page and go on the extension page. Now go on the module page. Now you can install the module. So once you will install the module, you have to click on Edit. You have to enable the module here. So then you have to mention the correct IDs, which are required, like the Dev ID, App ID, Cert ID, RU name. Here you can create this ID through your eBay developer account to create the account. You have given the steps here. You can follow the same, and you can create the keys, and you can mention the keys here. Once you have mentioned the keys, then on the eBay developer account, you have to upload the correct redirect URLs, and you can update the RU name where you have updated the correct redirect URL. And click on Save. Once you will save, you will have a message like Settings has been saved successfully. Then you can go to the token listing link. Here you have to click. When you will click, it will ask you to first update the order setting, so the default order status will be processing, and when it is shipped, so it will become shown as processed. Click on Save. Once the order details have been saved, then you have to go on the token listing link. It will redirect to the country listing. Here you have to select the country on which you wanted to sell your products on eBay. So first you have to connect the same. So click on here to connect. So you will click on it. It will redirect to the Chrome. It will run, and it will ask you to log in your seller account. You have to enter the eBay seller details here, the username and the password. You can click on sign up. Once this is sign up and it will be synced, you have to go back on the page. Refresh the page, and you will find it to be connected. Once this is refreshed completely, go again on the same category. Click on Edit button. It will show a connection status as connected. You have to choose the token status will be enabled and click on Save. It will show a message like the status updated, refresh the page, and you will find it enabled in the listing of the country. As you can see, you can enable the multiple countries in the list. Then the order settings we have done. We will proceed to the business profile. First here, you have to sync the business profile. All the business profile that are listed on eBay will be synced to your profile, and you can use them. Once they give the success message, you have to refresh the page and find the listing here. You can select the country, and you can choose which listing type, which profile type you want to be shown. So when you will filter, you will find all the payment-related policies on your result page. Next, we are having the profile tab here. You have to create a profile. You have to map the categories of the product which you wanted to get updated. The first here is a profile name, so you have to update the profile name first. Then you have to select the site. You have to click here to import the category according to the selected site. So you have to click on the given link that will sync all the categories. Then you have to refresh the page. Here again, you have to mention the name. You will find the currency updated automatically since this currency is already working on your store. Here we have. Then you have to sync the shipping profile. When you will click on it, you will have a shipping profile page, and there you can create the new profile as well. To create the new profile, you have to click on Add icon. Then you have to select the eBay site. Here also, you need to import the shipping method data present on the eBay. So, to import the same, you have to click on the Import Shipping Method. it will import and redirect to the another page. It gives you a success message. Then again, you have to refresh the page on a shipping profile. Select the shipping site. You want it to be service type as a flat or calculated that are already present on your default store. The package letter, you have to select the profile title in case you want the international shipping allowed for the same. Then you can select it to yes, else keep it no. Then you have to mention the postal code. Here you can enter the exclude location that you want it to be excluded from your profile. You can update the domestic shipping and international shipping that you want. You can click, then you have to click on save. Once you will click on save, then it will show you a success message on your screen. Then you have to click on save. You will have a success message on your screen. Once shipping has been added, go on the profile again. You have to create a new profile. So after selecting the shipping profile, you have to select the language on which you want your store products to be live on eBay. Then you have to select the eBay categories under which your profile products will be listed. After selecting the categories and subcategories, click on Save Categories. You can also change the category in case you want. Then it appears to the store category. Here you have to select your store category of which the products needs to be go on eBay. Then you have to enter the product description template in case you want, else the default product description will be go on to the products. Then you have to choose the payment method that will be help the user on eBay from your store. Then select the duration of which a product will be listed in case you want, after 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, or the GTC. Then we are having the profile payment profile. You can choose the payment profile whatever you want from the eBay. You can update the product condition, the alteration of the product. This is a quantity alteration. In case the 20 products have been present in the default, then only 10 products will be listed. And as soon as the 10 products is listed on the eBay, it will show the low in stock in case the less than 10 products are remaining on the eBay. Then we are having the product dispatch time. Here you have to enter the product dispatch time after 1 day or 2 day or whatever you want. Same business day, then you can select the return policies as well. You have to select the policy that are from the custom or else from the business profile. So in the present profile that we have already imported, you can select the types of policy from here. Then we are having the price management. When you will click on it, it will show you the respective fields below the same. Here, you can select the increase or decrease price. If you have selected the decrease and price value is 10, then if the product amount is 20 on your default store, then only 10 will be going to the eBay. Next, we are having in the percentage or in the fixed whatever you want. The 10% will be decreased or only the 10 decreased if you have selected it to fixed. Next, we are having the threshold amount of product, the maximum amount of product in OpenCart default currency, and which change is applicable to apply to both. So you have entered the same. Next, you have to click on Save. You have to specify more, fill the specifics. Once you have filled the respective specifics and click on Save, then profile will be saved and you will be having a message on your screen, like profile has been saved and added successfully. Then the shipping profile is already being listed. Then go to the product listing page. Here we have given that crown buttons. The first you have to do the local sync so that the product that you have mapped in your profile will be listed here. As you can see now, you have to sync those products on eBay. So you have to run the Crown of Sync products on eBay. Once you will run, and while running as soon as it will give you a success message, then you have to refresh the page of a product listing. As soon as you will get the success message on the Crown of Sync products on eBay, then you have to back on the product listing page and refresh the page. You will have a listing status as listed. In case of any error, you will found an error tab and the error message will be shown to you. Here, this crown is for the mark of update, in case you have updated any default things like the product name, product description, or the price. Then you can click on the mark for update. As soon as you will click, it will ask a confirmation and crown will be run to update. Again, you have to sync the crown and refresh the page. The changes that you have made is set to be updated. Next, we are having an inventory jobs. Whatever the inventory changes will be done. Then the same will be listed here. The eBay orders, whatever the orders is being placed on the eBay, you can sync them here by running a Crown of Sync order. And in case you want to update the order status of the same, you can click on Update Order. You wanted to sync the inventory, then you can sync inventory of listed products. You can run this crown, and the inventory job will be listed here. eBay orders will be listed here to update the status. You can run the specific crowns. So these crowns are also updated on the synchronization tab. And also the crown setter via SSH is also given. So you can update the crown SSH for your store. So this is how the eBay No Band works on OpenCart Store. Thank you.